Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Fenergy channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build earth batteries. So, the easiest way that I have been able to figure out would be using highly permeable metals. So, steel is a very good permeable metal. I'm using this 14 gauge steel wire here. The highest I've been able to pull on a battery is 10 milliamps at 0.6 of a volt consistently. And I thought that was pretty good. 10 milliamps. For how much wire I had, it was pretty good for only $3 worth of wire. And as long as I kept it wet, it would stay powered uh, endlessly. It was pretty cool how it worked. So I'm guessing that as long as the metal can remain in contact with the water, it will produce endless voltage because it's just a slow, very slow galvanic effect that these earth batteries produce into, surprisingly, into a anode cathode directional voltage, or a negative positive north south polarity magnets shoot out of it, oddly enough. And you can make multiple batteries as long as you have the same number of turns in the wire, so that way it can produce the same results in the same jars of dirt, of hopefully the same dirt that you're using, so that way you don't have different voltages. You can stack the voltage or the milliamperage of these batteries, and it's pretty cool. So this is what mine's doing right now. I have a bolt wrapped with steel wire, and in between is a baby wipe. It's completely dry until I just put some water on it. It's just some Whole Foods water that I bought. I put my negative end here on the top of my bolt. I put the positive end here. Oh, hang on. That's my milliamperage, my microamps actually. I only have like 30 turns of steel wire on this bolt. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you guys that you can produce this on larger scales, and I'm hoping to see some people try this out for themselves. It is free energy, guys. You just gotta build on a bigger scale. It's not really hard at all. So this is what I have for microamps. Mind you, I've been able to pull 10 milliamps consistently. So 33. That's only because the wire's moving a little bit. Let's see if I can get a better connection. There we go, it's better. About 30 to 35. Not bad for just water and a couple bolts and a piece of fabric, right? So here's the other thing I want to show you. The millivolts, and mind you, you can stack the voltage. And if you can stack the voltage, that means you can stack the voltage and put it in parallel with each other, since it's balanced energy. Well, a lot more balanced energy. It's not frictional. It's not acidic, so that means you can't short out your batteries. At the very worst, I've done this myself, these batteries can shift polarities. It's different. If you try it with a capacitor and it fills up the capacitor too much, if it goes over the voltage storage limit of these batteries, it sends the voltage in opposite polarities, and next thing you know, your polarity is showing that your south pole magnets is going north now, and your north pole magnets is going south. So these batteries cannot be shorted out, and I like it. So this is what I get for my millivolts. Let me see if I can get a better connection here. That's not too bad. That's 80 millivolts right there. It was going over 100, but maybe it's because the water settled down, and maybe I just don't have a good connection on this wire. Oh. So this is free energy, guys. You just have to build it on a larger scale. See, it's staying at... Oh, there it goes. If I connect it on certain parts. Must be staying at 83 consistently. think. Yep. So it's staying at 83 millivolts. And that right there is an earth battery. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to build it on a larger scale. I'm going to pull this bolt out with the metal on it. And I'm just going to wrap it a lot more times with steel wire. Layer it, space it out using baby wipes for each coil that I wrap around. And it should produce more volts and amps as I spin more metal around it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very curious to see some of your guys' projects on this earth battery idea. Please feel free to comment, rate, subscribe, share this video with your friends. The original founder, discoverer of this idea was Nathan Stubblefield. He did work with Nikola Tesla for, they were like best friends, I guess, back in the day. So look into them. Let me know what you think. Peace out, guys.